You want to be built like Gun Park? Shredded, powerful, and explosive? Then listen up, because this isn't about just looking strong, it's about being strong. Gun Park isn't just muscle. He's a powerhouse of raw strength, speed, and endurance. Today, I'll break down exactly what makes his physique elite and give you a real, actionable plan to get as close as possible. First, let's analyze Gun Park's physique. What makes him terrifying? It's not just his size, it's his muscle density and explosive power. He's not bulky like a bodybuilder, he's lean, shredded, and efficient. His physique is built for combat. Dense, compact muscles for maximum strength without wasted mass. Insane, fast-twitch muscle fiber shiz punches are like bullets, quick and powerful. Brutal Enduranchi can fight endlessly without tiring. Tendon and ligament strength resilient, unbreakable, and built to take damage. Now, let's talk about how you can train to achieve this. No nonsense, just 5 steps that actually work. If you follow these, you'll build strength, get shredded, and move like a real fighter. Step 1. Train for strength and power. Gun isn't just lean, he's strong as hell. Your focus should be on heavy compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench press. But that's not enough. Add explosive lifts like power cleans and box jumps. Lift heavy, move fast, and train for power, not just size. Step 2. Stay lean, stay sharp. Gun Park isn't carrying excess weight. He's shredded and defined because his training demands it. You need to be in a slight calorie deficit, eat high-protein meals, and stay consistent with your nutrition. Muscle is built in the gym, but definition comes from the kitchen. Step 3. Move like a fighter. Gun's explosiveness comes from speed training. Sprint intervals, battle ropes, agility ladder drills, these build fast twitch power and endurance. If you gas out after 5 minutes, you're not built like Gun. Train your lungs, train your stamina, be relentless. Step 4. Bulletproof your body. You can lift all you want, but if your tendons and joints are weak, you'll break. Gun can take hits because he's built to last. Incorporate weighted calisthenics, pull-ups, dips, and planche holds. Add isometric training like wall sits and static holds. Step 5. Forge a fighter's core. Gun's strength isn't just in his arms, it's in his core and grip. Every punch, every movement, it all comes from the core. Train hanging leg raises, ab rollouts, and dragon flags. Don't forget grip work, farmer's carries, towel pull-ups, and dead hangs. Grip strength is fight strength. This isn't just a workout plan, it's a mentality. You train like this, you push past pain, you commit, and soon you won't just look strong, you'll become strong. Gun Park's physique isn't impossible, it's earned. Now, go earn yours.